This video is about how to get this 500 USDT voucher. Let's get started. First of all, open your Binance app. Then click on your profile. Tap on the referral button. Now, click here to reveal your voucher. Wow, I received 500 USDT. But you need to complete some tasks to receive the reward. Invite friends to sign up and deposit more than $50 within 14 days of registration. Click here to copy your referral link. You can share your referral link with your friends and others people. If my friends sign up via my referral link and deposit more than 50 USDT on Binance within 14 days, I can redeem the voucher. Also, my friend will receive the same voucher. But, unfortunately, it's a trading fee rebate voucher. Redeeming a $500 voucher does not mean that $500 will be added to your balance straight away. Trading fee rebate vouchers allow you to receive a refund on the trading fee you have spent. 1. Trade with your own funds in any trading pair. 2. Pay the corresponding trading fee. 3. Deducted fee will be returned to you on the following day, before 23 hours 59 minutes and 59 seconds UTC. This is the example of trading fee rebate voucher. Scroll down to see your total referrals. My total referrals is 0. I will invite my friends on Binance for the voucher. Thanks for watching the video.